Imagine waking up on a Monday morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and your alarm clock is completely silent. You do not have to jump out of bed, rush through your breakfast, and sit in an hour of soul-crushing traffic just to sit in a gray cubicle. You do not have to answer to a boss who doesn't respect you. You are not fired, and you are not unemployed. You are financially free. Your money went to work today so you didn't have to. For most people, this sounds like an impossible lottery fantasy. They believe you need $10 or $20 million to live this life. But they are completely wrong. The global banking system wants you to believe that financial freedom is impossible for the average person, so you keep working until you are 65 years old. Today, we are going to expose the exact mathematical formula that the wealthy use to escape the rat race. We are going to calculate the exact amount of money you actually need invested to permanently replace your salary and quit your 9-to-5 job forever. Listen closely, because this single mathematical equation is the key to unlocking your absolute freedom. To escape the matrix, you have to understand a concept that the rich teach their children, but the poor are never taught in school. It is called the 4% rule. This rule is the holy grail of the FIRE movement, which stands for financial independence, retire early. The premise is brilliantly simple. If you invest your money in a broad, diversified portfolio like the S&P 500, history shows that the market grows by an average of 7 to 10% a year. The 4% rule states that you can safely withdraw 4% of your total invested portfolio every single year to live on, forever, without ever running out of money. Why? Because the growth of the investments will always outpace your withdrawals and the hidden tax of inflation. Your money becomes a perpetual motion machine. It becomes a golden goose that lays a golden egg every single month, and you never have to kill the goose. Let us do the brutal, beautiful math right now. How much money does it actually take to buy back your freedom? It depends entirely on how much your life costs. Let us say you calculate your basic living expenses, your rent, food, insurance, and utilities, and it comes out to $40,000 a year. You don't need a Lamborghini, you just need your freedom. To find your escape number, you take your yearly expenses of $40,000 and multiply it by 25. The answer is $1 million. If you have $1 million invested in index funds, it will generate $40,000 a year in passive income for the rest of your natural life. If your expenses are $60,000 a year, your magic number is $1.5 million. If you can live on $30,000 a year, your escape number is only $750,000. Suddenly, the impossible dream of retiring young is not a fantasy, it is just a specific, reachable target on a calculator. But achieving this number requires a radical psychological transformation. You have to stop acting like a consumer and start acting like a capital allocator. The average person works 40 hours a week, gets their paycheck, and immediately looks for ways to spend it. They buy a new phone, they upgrade their car, they buy designer clothes to impress people they don't even like. They are building the wealth of Apple, Ford, and Gucci, while keeping themselves in absolute poverty. To reach your escape number, you have to look at every single dollar as a soldier in your invisible army. Every time you spend $20 on a useless subscription or a meal you didn't need, you are taking a soldier off the battlefield. When you take that $20 and invest it, you are sending that soldier out to capture more territory and bring back prisoners of war in the form of dividends and compound interest. You have to become addicted to buying assets instead of liabilities. This journey is not glamorous. The media tells you that getting rich means taking massive, dangerous risks. They tell you to day trade crypto, buy risky options, or gamble on unproven startups. That is the quickest way to stay poor. The true path to replacing your salary is incredibly, painfully boring. It is the quiet discipline of putting a percentage of your paycheck into an index fund on the first of every single month, regardless of whether the stock market is up or down. It is driving a 10-year-old Toyota while your broke co-workers finance brand new BMWs. You will look poor to the outside world. Your friends might even pity you. But internally, you will possess a supreme, quiet confidence, because you know that while they are drowning in auto loans, you are quietly buying pieces of the global economy. There is a psychological danger zone that happens halfway through this journey. When your portfolio reaches $300,000 or $400,000, a massive temptation will hit you. The money is sitting right there. You could buy a massive house. You could buy a luxury sports car in cash. You could upgrade your entire lifestyle tomorrow. The system will beg you to spend it. The advertisements will target your ego. This is the ultimate test of your discipline. You must remember that spending that money now is exactly like cutting down a fruit tree for firewood. It will keep you warm for one night, but you will starve for the rest of your life. You have to delay gratification until the fruit from the tree is enough to feed you entirely. When you finally approach your magic number, a strange anxiety will set in. You have spent your entire adult life depending on a corporation to survive. The idea of walking into your boss's office and handing in your resignation letter feels terrifying. What if the math is wrong? What if the market crashes? But the math is not wrong. The math is absolute. When you finally reach that crossover point, where your passive income exceeds your living expenses, you experience a profound ego death and rebirth. You realize that the fear holding you to your 9-to-5 job was just an illusion. The day you walk out of your office for the last time, you will not feel like a billionaire. You will not have a private jet waiting for you. But as you step out into the sunlight on a random Tuesday afternoon, realizing that your time is now 100% your own, you will feel a level of wealth that no flashy celebrity will ever understand. You are no longer a rent-a slave. You are a free human being. You have bought your life back from the Matrix. The system desperately hopes you never learn this math. They want you to keep running on the wheel, buying things you don't need, to impress people who don't care. But the escape hatch is right in front of you. What is your magic number? How much do you actually need per year to be completely free? Calculate it. Write it down. And start marching towards the exit. Let us know in the comments, are you currently investing to escape the rat race, or are you still trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? Subscribe to Daily Optimization. We provide the financial blueprints the system tries to hide from you.